How to remove or delete a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, we are going to learn 3 ways to remove or delete a worksheet from a workbook. Let's get started. First, you need to understand that once you delete a worksheet, it will be deleted permanently. There is no turning back. You cannot use Ctrl-Z or undo function to get back that worksheet. So if you delete it, it's deleted unless you save the workbook before. Okay. Now that you understand worksheet delete is permanent, let's learn how you can delete a worksheet. The first thing you can do is to right click on the sheet you want to delete. Here I'm going to right click on sheet 4. And now I'm going to click on delete. Sheet 4 has been deleted. Now let's go to the home tab and then click here from the sales group delete drop down. Here we have an option delete worksheet. If I click here, our worksheet will be deleted. The last option is a keyboard shortcut. If we press Alt and then H, D and S, our worksheet will be deleted, and we cannot delete the last worksheet. Our workbook must need at least one worksheet. Okay. Also, if you delete a worksheet, it will be permanent. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.